everybody, it's me, Madison. Today I'm going to be doing a little makeup room tour, like a filming, like where I film and where I do my makeup. So yeah, basically I'm just going to show you what's in every single drawer and what I have and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So this is when you walk in, so I'm going to show you the view. So I have my ring light and my camera goes right here, but I'm recording it. I have these umbrella lights up here. I have 2 of them. And then I have this TV, which is like basically my monitor. And then if you go over here, we have some shelves. So I'm gonna start over here. These are just some like cleaners. This is a brown kit and then some like scissors, nail glue, not nail glue, eyelash glue, some tweezers. Empty. A wrench, and then some like extra lipstick containers. More lipstick containers. Some just random stuff, receipts, extensions, and a light bulb. Some lights for Valentine's Day. A dummies book, and like necklaces. Like some Halloween stuff. Up here we have primers and like setting sprays, and then right here we have some face masks. Right over here we have some Too Faced and Morphe palettes, and then we have our Clarisonic, a phone case and a loopy case right there, and then we have a Jord oil for a watch. So in here we have some samples, some extra stuff, and like some silicone sponges and like this random stuff. And here we have like makeup brushes, wax, like hair stuff, and like clips and band-aids. And here we have camera stuff. And here we have like some candles, some nail polishes, and like curling irons. And here we just have a bunch of candles. So right here I have my amazing silver play button with the letter they sent me. Then I have my purse, a hat, and some extra stuff. Then I have all the places I've been on, like America's Next Top Model, Barbie. Here's some pictures of my friends, my autograph from Brooklyn and Bailey, and the first time I ordered from like Kylie Jenner. I don't know who is this from, don't remember. But right here, this is basically our Halloween stuff. And we put it in the shoe organizer. And then right here is my signed poster from Lily Collins and Julia Roberts from Mirror Mirror. Over here is where I sit now, and then like y'all are over there. I have some stuff I need to hang up in the video. That's either gonna be the vlog or a video itself. Got some like little palettes and some little like animals, and then some lipsticks, lip liners, some dirty brushes, and these are clean brushes. Some stuff that we still need to put up. And then this is brow stuff, like cream eyeshadows, more cream eyeshadows, pigments, more pigments, and pigments. Over here I have this Sephora mini collection one, some like random concealers, the higher price concealers, more concealers, eye primers, and like primers. And these drawers are the Muji drawers. And then over here, they're from all of these right here from the Container Store. So I have this from Octoly. They sent me a 50,000 like little plate, like plaque almost. And then here we got some highlighters and contour palettes. And here we got some like highlighters and like, yeah, it's just highlighters. Here are highlighters and contour palettes. And here are the bronzers. And here we have some highlighting stuff. And here we have like all the new stuff we need to test out. This is all blush. This is all blush. And this is all foundations. In here we have the expensive highlighters, expensive bronzers, the beauty blenders in both of these, and then all the rest of these are brushes, like eye brushes, face brushes, and like little kabukis or like fan brushes in here. Over here I have some palettes, like these are eyeshadow palettes. More eyeshadow palettes like the smaller ones. More e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes. More eyeshadow palettes of like Wet n Wild and L'Oreal and Maybelline. And here is all Wet n Wild. And here's all ColourPop. And here's all mascara and eyeliners. Next in here, stuff we're giving away. And then we have some like chapstick stuff. This is some MAC like blushes. Some more MAC blushes. Face powders. More face powders. And more face powders. Then I have this stuff. This is from a long time ago. This is from Beauty Contacts, March 2015. This is Carrie Russell when I met her at the airport. This is my little part in the Glamour magazine. And then that's when I met Kris Jenner. So, next thing is our lipstick drawers. I got this drawer at Michael's, and in here is just a bunch of like liquid lipsticks, and like you name it. We have everything, literally. And here is some like glosses, more matte liquid lipsticks and liquid lipsticks itself. And here is more glosses. Over here is some more Kylie and some lip smackers. And here is all eyelashes. And then over here, we got this from IKEA, and these have some eyeshadow singles, some what are they called? Cream shadows. Some NYX cream eyeshadow pencils, some more singles, some like eyeshadow pencils, some eyeshadows from Chanel. And in here we have some little eyeshadow quads and like other palettes. And here we have eyeshadow palettes. And here we have more eyeshadow palettes. And here we have more eyeshadow palettes. And in here we have more eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, so that was it for my room tour. And for my background, all we did is hang up some curtains and put lights behind it. But they're not on right now. So yeah. So that was it, and if you have any questions about the containers or anything, I'll try to list them in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!